Hi, I'm Rene Melek and today I'm going to take up a topic, frizzy hair. Today my hair is frizzy and I thought why not just use that for the video, because I always have clients complaining to me about frizzy hair. They want to either keratin it, they want to smoothen it, they want to do something to it, be in control of your hair because it just feels out of control, especially the very front parts, and when you have your hair open it's kind of messy like this. And many a times I tell them that I have a solution, and the solution doesn't lie in the shampoo or conditioner or treatment, but it's completely a different outlook, and they are almost surprised because the thing I tell them is you have curly hair, and they're like, no, not like yours, my hair is just frizzy. I would want to give you a solution to that. Let's go into the diagnosis. So if you have hair like this which is always frizzy, no matter what you do, you oil it, it's frizzy, you constantly brush it, it's frizzy, in fact when you brush it it gets even more frizzy, I want you to do a drill with me to find out, is your hair dry because of a lot of coloring, is your hair dry because it's just dry, lacks moisture, or it's really something else because you've tried everything under the sun, you've tried all the treatments possible in the salon, you've tried keratin, cysteine, you've done all the hair spas possible, and you still are not free from this cycle of constant frizzy hair, especially in a place like Mumbai which is very humid, and with monsoons approaching, humidity rising, you're always battling this one major enemy of yours, a hair enemy. Now if you are brushing your hair out, you see this, does your hair look like this? Is it just a frizz ball each time you brush it, and when you have to leave home you're brushing and combing because you want to look neat, but you end up looking messy and all bushed out like this? You probably could be having curly hair. Now not necessarily you have curls like mine, you could be having slightly wavy hair, loose curls, and it takes a long time of constant curly girl method to come into or develop proper defined curls. So let's work this out. I'll shampoo my hair and condition it and then show you how curls can actually be well defined, and you could find out whether you have curly hair or you don't have curly hair and it's just frizzy hair, because at least 95% of the times when people say they have frizzy hair, I have told them and I've shown them how they actually don't have frizzy hair but they have curly hair. Curly hair, when opened out and brushed out like this, completely opened up, will 100% give you a frizz. So the fact that you have frizzy hair is because the curls are not able to sit properly, they are not able to sit in a twist and a turn, and they're not clumped together properly. That is why they give you a frizz. So let me wash my hair and get back. So now my hair is washed and I haven't rubbed my hair with the towel, I have just squeezed out the water. Do not rub the hair, do not tie it into a turban, because you need water dripping hair, because if it's already kind of semi dry or it's like excess water has gone away, you are not going to understand whether you have curly hair or not. It's again going to dry out into a frizz. So once your hair is wet, just brush it out like this. Once it's all gathered together, you could just shake it a little bit and just scrunch. Gather all the hair from the ends and come upwards from down to up and just scrunch, and you get Now you have to check what kind of pattern is forming. Is it still straight? Then you don't have curly hair. Then your problem of frizz is probably dryness or some kind of chemical treatment or being out in the sun. But if you are getting some kind of like wave, some kind of, you see this movement, this curl kind of, right now it will not look curly, it still needs to dry. Right now it will look like S shape. Then for sure you have curly hair, and because you are constantly combing your fingers through it, you're brushing it, you're tying it, you're stretching it out, you are not allowing it to clump into actual shape that it has, inborn shape. So what happens is, suppose I have a curl will be like at least 20 to 30 strands put together, twisted together, forms a curl. But if that same, each strand is brushed out and separated, it's going to frizz out. So frizz is actually an indication that you're doing something wrong to your hair, and your hair does not want that kind of movement on it. So it does not want to be brushed, it does not want to be combed through. So try and understand what your hair is like. Now I'll just let it dry for 2 hours and I'll show you what it looks like. So now I have washed my hair and I did not comb my hands through it at all. I didn't tie it at all. I just let it dry, and you will see that it has formed the shape and clumps that it naturally is in. It just wants to sit in a ringlety form. It just, you saw how my hairline was all frizzy, but now you see how it just wants to kind of spiral up. Now the same strand, if I just take and I brush it out, it's going to give you frizz. So let me show it to you so that you still completely understand why frizzy hair happens. You see this hair strand which is into a perfect swirl, perfect shape. At least there will be 20 strands in here. Now if I stretch it open by brushing it and separate it, so all I do is I kind of open it out and I just brush it, and or I run my fingers through it. It's slightly damp, so it's still holding on to the shape, but as it dries and 1 day or 2 days, it's just going to give you a kind of this frizz. But the moment you twist it together, that is how it wants to sit. You see, you twist it together, you unite them together. Right now they are still little damp, and because they have always stayed in a curl, I don't comb my hair when it's dry, I don't tie it, so it's used to being curly, so it retains the curl shape even better because hair has a memory. When you constantly brush out your hair, blow dry your hair, you constantly running your fingers through your hair, then you're going to get lesser of the curl sharpness in it, and you're going to get more of this fuzzy frizz that happens with just not letting it sit in the shape it wants to, not unite it. So the moment you unite it, the moment you twist it, the moment you just kind of give it a circular movement, it just wants to go back together into its original shape, and frizz is gone completely, it disappears. So frizz doesn't go away with products. You could ask me which product do I use. You could use the best of worldwide most expensive products, guaranteed your frizz is not going to go away. So it's not how much money you spend, but it's how you understand your hair. It's not about the services in the salons, not the keratins, not the treatments. Yes, if you want like straight hair, you don't want to do the curly girl thing, then go in for your keratins that help just stretch out the curls and let it not get curly, so it would, you know, not frizz. But most of your frizzy hair issues is because you have some kind of a wavy curly pattern happening, and because over the years you're combing it, stretching it, you're not letting it jump into its curl pattern, you will not see a very nice well defined curl. But over a period of 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, you will have the most gorgeous, fabulous curl happening and no frizz. So if you want a long-term solution for your frizz, try and do what I showed you. Wet your hair, brush it, then scrunch it and let it dry, and see if there is some kind of not straight, which is wavy or curly pattern happening, and nurture it, nourish it. Try and work towards a curly girl method. Do not brush your hair when it is dry, only when you have conditioner on, and when hair is wet, hair doesn't break. It's not the weakest. That's again wrong. Hair has elasticity inbuilt. It will not break, so you can comb it when the conditioner is on. And do not dry your hair with a towel in a rough movement like that. Do not turban up your hair in the towel, but just squeeze out all the excess water with your hands, and you could just dab the towel, just dab it so that excess water is gone. Comb it out. So that, moreover, I like a wet brush, so use a wet brush, or you could use this kind of a Denman brush, and so that all the hair join together. All the strands, they need to join together when they are wet, so that when they dry, they don't frizz. But if you have hair strands all over the place, they are going to dry in a frizz. So I'll make another video next time about just how to wash and dry your curly hair, so that you understand the movement your hair needs. It's not about the products, it's more about how you handle it. Hope this video has been successful in answering a lot of your frizzy hair issues, and I wish you can figure out why you have frizzy hair. Do mention in the comments below if you had a similar journey of suddenly discovering that you have curly hair, and do tell me what next would you like to listen, some hair problem solution that you would want. See you in the next video.